Hello and welcome to Orthopaedic Innovations for Healthcare Professionals. This presentation is a short introduction to the new diploma for students who are about to start studying the course. This diploma is motivated by a number of faculty who have come together and have identified a need or a number of needs in the market. Some of the faculty have identified a desire within the sales representative community within orthopedics to be better informed of what happens within surgery, practices and protocols when they are assisting surgeons within a clinical environment. Other faculty have identified an interest in OT staff and how they wish to better understand the technologies used within surgery. Others have identified that engineers are perhaps new to the orthopedic sector, and they want to better appreciate the technical challenges faced by surgeons when performing surgeries, maybe total knee arthroplasties, total hip arthroplasties, or maybe using the jigs for these procedures. Colleagues are also aware that surgeons want to understand the biomechanical and engineering principles that underpinned the development of existing devices and perhaps gain an insight into the new orthopedic techniques and processes that are emerging through universities and industry. Colleagues also recognise that veterinary surgeons want to understand new techniques that are within clinical medicine and to see whether they can be translated to improving care for animals. So this diploma is motivated by a number of factors, and so the types of students that will be studying this course, it is expected to be from a very varied background. But there's one thing that all of these students have in common, and that is that they wish to gain access to a comprehensive program of education that's committed to advancing innovation, excellence, and be accessible for all levels throughout the orthopedic profession, and that is exactly what this diploma aims to do. The diploma is formed of international experts drawn from across Europe, the US, the Middle East, and Africa. The faculty is currently working within industry, within academia, and also are clinically practicing surgeons too. This blend of expertise means that the diploma is able to offer a balanced education across orthopedics, from concept within academia and universities, through to exploitation of those ideas in industry, and then to the end user who is typically within a clinical environment. A number of the faculty are active researchers too, including in areas of musculoskeletal anatomy, looking at the design and improvement of patient-specific instrumentation, robotic surgery, finite element modeling, and 3D printing are all areas of expertise within our faculty. The diploma is formed of 3 modules: surgical sciences, advanced surgical practice, and advanced orthopedic biomechanics. And each of these modules will have between 6 and 10 hours of video lectures uploaded onto YouTube, and these videos will be linked, or links for the videos will be sent out to students, and they can watch these videos at their convenience. To provide a structure to aid student understanding, we will be first delivering the surgical sciences module, and that will be from August to October of 2019. And the faculty delivering this module can be seen in red, and that will cover 3 chapters looking at joint anatomy, joint biomechanics, and materials and manufacturing. And within this slide you can see a breakdown of the specific areas that the module will be covering. And this slide is a good example as to how the benefit of YouTube is that you can clearly fast forward onto more relevant and engaging slides, or indeed pause the slide so you can look in more detail at the information that is being presented. The Advanced Surgical Practice module will be delivered predominantly by clinical colleagues, and a range of engaging videos will be presented such that those who aren't familiar with the operating theatre can gain a better appreciation of what happens inside that environment. And this module is slated to run from November of 2019 through to January of 2020. The third module in Advanced Orthopaedic Biomechanics will run from February through to April of 2020, and will again cover a breadth of topics within 3 chapters. This module, like all other modules, will be finished with a seminar. That will be a live question and answer session with some of the faculty. The date of all of these is to be confirmed. So how do students access lectures? Well, this introductory lecture is available freely and is widely accessible on YouTube. When we start delivering the information, the informative lectures, these will be presented as pre-recorded videos to students to access at their convenience. And again, they'll be hosted on YouTube. But unlike this video, the lectures will be private videos, and so will be only accessible by clicking a link sent to your registered email address. For the link to work, you'll need to ensure that that email address is that you have created a YouTube account with that email address, and that also that your email account has YouTube added to the safe list of senders. If you don't add YouTube to the safe list of senders, then it may be that that email and that link is actually diverted accidentally into your trash or your spam mailbox. So once you have received the email, you should then create a YouTube account if you need to, and then simply by clicking the link within your email, it should open up the first video. And then of course you'll be able to pause, rewind and replay as many of the videos as you wish throughout the duration of the diploma. Videos will be uploaded throughout the scheduled time of the module. And so, for example, the Surgical Sciences module will be started, but there will be only a proportion of the videos that will be the full complement. By the end of the time period, then all of those videos will be uploaded. The reason for this is to try and create a structure to assist the student in learning. As I say, there will be seminars held at the end of each module, so there'll be 3 seminars, and this will provide an opportunity for students and faculty to engage in a live question and answer session. The diploma will be concluded at the ICJR Middle East 2020 conference, where students will be awarded certificates to identify that they have completed the course. For those students who are unable to attend the meeting, then we'll be able to post those certificates to their registered address. You're encouraged to check on our website, www.orthopaedic-innovation.org, for further updates. And if you have any questions in the meantime, then faculty can be contacted by using their first name dot last name at orthopaedicinnovation.org. On behalf of the entire faculty, then we are enthusiastic to deliver this course. We believe there is a very important and unmet need to inform those who work within orthopedics, from the OT nurses through to the surgeons, through to the bioengineers, that there's an awful lot of information that could be shared better with those people working within this environment. And we hope this diploma goes a long way to achieving that aim. We hope you enjoy it and look forward to talking to you during the seminar session.